My brothers and sisters, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your presenter for First Aid Immigrant Solution. The reason why I come this morning, make I can tell you wetin still come out for concerning document matter and other things where I know say still dey important wey we go still do like mask and other things. So concerning the document matter, so throughout the night, last night, come reach this morning, they come talk say they don already agree say they will do the document. And the document now wey they say they wan do now, they come talk say the document go be 6 months document wey you fit change to working permit of stay. So it is changeable to working permit of stay. That one na the good news wey dey this document. And another thing again wey make me come be say make I come tell una say make una start to dey prepare so that immediately president of the concilio, which is the prime minister, you announce am officially, the thing go start. So make una start to dey prepare all una things for ground, because of say wetin dem still talk concerning this document, say dem say people wey know say dey do any domestic housework wey Italo dey call golf, say dem dey among wey people wey go see wey dem still give am, people wey dey work for field or wey Italo dey call campi, therefore they do anything like they plant or harvest. So now those people go fit apply for this document wey they talk so. And they still make sure say they still put inspector of people wey go first still verify say whether people dey wey don first do this work before, or you first work follow these people, whether black or you first get experience for this work before in the past, say you don first do am. If they don't verify say you don first get such experience, say you don first work before, e dey among the criteria wey dem wan use take select people. And another thing again wey dem wan still use take select people, more una still take note say more una prepare una passport. Those people wey know say e never get passport, that one na another thing again. I no know whether dem fit do am without dem no get their country passport. More una make sure say una go find una passport, make sure say una passport don ready, so that as they only start the document, una will be the first person wey e go first apply. And the people wey start this pushing, and now say I no fit forget all those people like Teresa Bellanova, that woman try well, na be the minister of agric. That woman try well for we wey be immigrants. It does say if they don't give am this opportunity, make dem take give these foreigners documents, say e go resign. That woman try. Another person wey still try well na be Beppe Provenzano. That woman still try well. Now that one I dey in charge of south of Italy. So he still try well. Still talk say they will still support this process. So the head of all different parties na they hold meeting last night till 1:30 a.m. this morning. Now they come talk say they don already agree say they wan share this document. So around 2 p.m. about 1 hour ago, they say they still hold another meeting. That meeting now they never tell us how the meeting waka. So any moment from now, this document will share. So they don already conclude, they don already talk say the compromises where they say they want to do this document, they don already seal am. So make they just make am official, na remain now. So now person wey go fit make am official na be the minister, the prime minister or the president of this country, na go fit make am official. Now I still say make I use this one, make I still quick shook mouth for, if you know say you dey Bologna, any newsstand or newspaper stand, na there na you for go collect your mask. The mask, they share mask for Bologna free, so that make you stay protect yourself. Wanna go Edicola or any newsstand where you for collect your mask. Then another thing again where they see they do for Ferrara, they see they do, they see they assist people wey dey the age of 3 to 13 years for campi estivi. Those people wey know say wan carry their children go camp or go any place playing ground where they want to keep their family busy. Say now those people na they'll say they'll still try make they still give money, make they take subsidize them for Ferrara. If you know say dey Ferrara or an environment wey near Ferrara, those Coparo area or any other provincial Ferrara, now only that place for the do am for now. If you know say you wan go ask for information for your commune of residence, you fit go ask the information. So na this one be the only few information wey I say make I first shook my mouth put before the law come out. So more, no forget to subscribe. I still remain Anthony. Una bye bye.